Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So we'll just be upgrading the RAM on the HP Elitebook 835G7 it is, which has got the AMD processor. Just wanted to upgrade the RAM. So it's already got 16 GB of RAM. I'm going to be upgrading it to 32 GB RAM. Just so you know, here are the RAM chips. This one is a 16 GB 3200 megahertz RAM. So I've got a kit of 16 GB each, making it 32 GB, because the great thing about these ones is that obviously the RAM is upgradable. Unlike the newer versions that are coming out of the laptops, where the RAM is soldered onto the motherboard, so there's no room for upgrade. I mean, they can be upgraded, but it's not as easy because you have to remove the chips and resolder them onto the motherboard, which is not something that everyone can do. But this is one of those laptops where you can actually do it yourself. I've already removed the cover, but just so you know that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws to remove the cover. Just be wary that there's tabs at the bottom. So I would suggest a lift up from here, and then lift up from where the hinges are, and gently just sort of lift it up and out. But I've already removed it, so I don't have to show you that. If you do want to have a look, I have got some videos on which obviously show you how to remove the cover. So to upgrade the RAM, what we need to do is we need to remove this shield, which is pretty easy to remove. You've got a tab here, tab, and a tab there. So you can just sort of gently take it off, which will reveal the great thing is that it also has two RAM slots. I'm not sure how much it can go up to. I believe it could go up to 64 GB. I might be wrong, but I think 16 GB is the sweet spot. But I would like to have a bit more of RAM in there, just to sort of like have a good capacity in there, because I'm looking to be using, you know, the laptop, which is my daily, for hopefully a long period of time, because these are still considered as one of the good processors. It's I believe it was AMD 4650U, which is equivalent to around about the 10th gen Intel processors. So to remove the RAM, all you need to do is there's just two tabs up here. So if you were to sort of take them away from the RAM, it will lift up, and all you need to do is just gently remove the old RAM. That's the old RAM. It is the same. So this is a 16 GB RAM. The reason why I did not want to add another 16 GB in there is that it's not recommended to mix the RAMs, and plus you'll be able to see that the number on this one is 2108. So for you to identify two chips to be from the same memory kit is you'll be able to see that this one says here 2145, and this one has 2145 as well. That means this is not mixed RAM, but this is just one batch of 32 GB. So just to ensure that I don't mix RAMs, I bought a kit of 32 GB. I'm going to take that one off. That's probably going to go into another laptop that I'm upgrading from 8 GB to 16 GB, so I can use that in the other laptop. But for now, we're going to be upgrading this one with the 32 GB kit. Installation pretty easy. All you need to do is just make sure that you line up the notch, insert in, just press it down as much as you can, just gently. You don't need to push it down. All you need to do is just press the RAM in until those two have clipped in. Same process for this one. Just press it in. Just press in and press, oh, this one, oh, it is, they are moving, but right, let me try again. Okay, there, I think if you come across that, you might need to pull these tabs out yourself. I see. I could see a little gap here, which wasn't the same as this one, but as soon as I just pressed it in, it's gone in. So that'll upgrade the memory to 32 GB. All you need to do is just do the reverse of what we did. Put the shield back on. Okay, let me start it out without the, just to show you. Hopefully I've got some charge in there. Oh yeah, see, so configuration has changed. It says the memory size error. Should not have been. This memory is different. Right, okay. Pressing enter will record the new configuration, so we'll just press enter. Oh yes, it's come on. Let me just log in. All right, we've logged in. So to have a look at the memory that's just been upgraded. There's the memory. So now we can see, I'm hoping that, so it does show that it's now 32 GB, and as you can see, that's the usage and that's all the free memory. It says available 26.2, and the speed is here, it's 3200. So perfect. So that's the laptop upgraded to 32 GB now. Yeah, so the CPU is the AMD Ryzen 5 Pro 3650U that I've got on there. 6 cores, 12 logical processors. So yeah, so that's about it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and thank you very much. Bye bye.